Precision restorations, basically what we do is we restore vintage and classic cars and trucks. We completely restore them from the ground up, from everything from upgrades to just basically a full restoration. We do everything under one roof, which really makes us kind of unique in this industry. And of course, at any given time, we have anywhere from 30 to 35 projects going on, which is very, very unusual. Makes us one of the largest ones in the country. What really gauges the real success of that project is how thrilled the customer is when they get the car and be able to really use the car all the time. And it's kind of fun. It attracts a lot of attention, and they are fun.